When we finally have the time to create, we often expect our art to be instantly brilliant. But the real beauty comes from allowing ourselves to learn slowly and joyfully. You see, painting is a skill just like cooking. If you've never cooked before and you walk into a kitchen expecting to create a restaurant quality roast dinner on your first try, you're probably going to be disappointed. But would you assume you can't cook? Of course not. You'd experiment, you'd research, you'd try new recipes, and eventually you'd find your own way of cooking, one that feels natural and fun. Art is exactly the same. To grow as an artist, we need to stay curious, keep experimenting, and practice regularly. We learn just as much from the pieces we don't love as the ones we do. Every failed painting is actually feedback. It provides clues about what works for you and what doesn't. So if you're feeling behind or discouraged in your art making, here's my message to you. It's time to release the self-judgment. Let yourself create. Let yourself play. Hi, I'm Jo Barnard, artist and founder of the Art Insiders membership, where I share techniques, projects and inspiration every month. I'm also not yet where I want to be with my own art, and honestly, that's exciting. It means there's still so much to explore, so much to discover. It means I'll never get bored. That's one of the big reasons I love making art. And I love supporting you on your creative journey too, cheering you on every step of the way. If you fancy a couple of hours of gentle, guided creative play, then I've created a free mini art retreat experience for you. The link to join is in the description. And if you're looking for regular support, inspiration and projects, then you may well love my Art Insiders membership community. If this video was helpful, then please give it a like to show YouTube what you enjoy. And if you'd like more calm, practical art guidance made for thoughtful creators like you, then do go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for taking precious time out of your day to join me. I hope we can connect again soon. Much love, take care, and keep going.